Overwhelmed with gratitude at the food and the company. I find every time I go into a refugee community anywhere in the world, there is a level of generosity that is almost embarrassing. I can't give you as much as you've given to me today as a community, with everything that we've learned with the teachers and our lively little humans. It's a real honor. I was raised partly, sorry, so I'm just tired. What's happening to women in Afghanistan? I'm so sorry.
I think we got the message. Yeah, the message we needed.
Yeah. I think I'm grateful you can be here. I'm grateful for your wives and your daughters. And I hope that this home is a good one to you. I think the world is learning how to be gracious with refugees. And I think the world could learn from the generosity that you've shown me. I hope everywhere you go, the same generosity is returned to you. Thanks for having me. Again, sorry, I just didn't sleep and I cried.